Welcome to another Evan Reviews. Today we are looking at birds. This bird is the kiwi bird. I think we saw this one when we went to a zoo one time. I think they look weird. They look cool. The egg picture looks weird because it's giant. It's a giant egg. It's a giant egg inside of the bird, so that's weird. This is the marabou stork. It seems pretty big. It looks kind of like an old person with its facial features and all the pinkness, and its hair looks like an old person's hair, if that makes sense. This is the Petoos bird. I've seen these before on the internet. I think they're very cute. They seem kind of weird though. We're gonna watch a video, I think. That's the sound of its bird call. Oh crap. This is a bowerbird. I like its color, it's very blue. Or at least some of these ones are. I like its pink eyes as well. That's a weird arch that it's clearly made out of twigs as well. But oh, this is the shoebill stork. I know about this one because my brother has told me about it, and it's pretty big and looks kind of cool, but it makes a real loud noise, which I think we're gonna watch now. Yeah, that noise is coming out of the bird, so that's kind of weird. This is a sword-billed hummingbird. It's very pretty. I like hummingbirds. I never really thought about how long their beak is, and I didn't realize that it opens, to be honest. Because this photo looks really funny because it's just like two twigs sticking out of its face, and it looks weird. It's a very pretty bird, though. This is the African jacana. Jasana. I like the blue on its head. It's got giant feet with weird toes. They're very long. They look like salad fingers hands. And the baby bird is very cute. This is the white bellbird. It seems like a simple bird. That's really it. Now we're gonna watch a video of the call. Wow. It's a very loud bird. My favorite bird was the Petoo owl because it's really cute. I also liked the shoebill stork a lot though, because I think it's funny or weird that it makes that really loud noise that sounds like a gun. My least favorite was probably the African jacana or whatever. Just because it's the least interesting to me, but it's not a bad bird or anything. This was another Evan Reviews. That's the end. Bye.